India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Veer Bal Divas program in New Delhi. Prime Minister recalled the valor and sacrifices of the Sahibzadas. The Prime Minister stressed that no matter how difficult times are, nothing is bigger than the country and its interests.
India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in Veer Bal Divas, a nationwide celebration honouring children as the foundation of India's future for their exceptional contributions to the society at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi on Thursday. Veer Bal Divas observed on December 26 to remember the martyrdom of Zorawar Singh and Fateh Singh, the two sons of Guru Gobind Singh. They were martyred as they did not surrender their thoughts and beliefs before the tyranny of the Mughals. The day emphasizes their courage and integrity, inspiring Indian youth to uphold values of bravery, honesty and resilience.
साथियों, समय हर देश के युवा को अपने देश का भाग्य बदलने का मौका देता है। एक ऐसा कालखंड जब देश के युवा अपने साहस से, अपने सामर्थ्य से देश का कायाकल्प कर सकते हैं। देश ने आजादी की लड़ाई के समय देखा है, भारत के युवाओं ने तब विदेशी सत्ता का घमंड तोड़ दिया था। जो लक्ष्य तब के युवाओं ने तय किया, वो उसे प्राप्त करके ही रहे। अब आज के युवाओं के सामने भी विकसित भारत का लक्ष्य है।
The 17 awardees of Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar were also present during the program. The award is India's highest civilian honor for children. It's awarded annually by the Ministry of Women and Child Development to children between the ages of 5 and 18 for their exceptional achievements in the following categories: bravery, art and culture, environment, innovation, science and technology, social service and sports. The President of India, Draupadi Murmu, conferred the award. The awardees receive a medal, certificate and citation booklet. Lauding the efforts of the awardees, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said these kids have become a source of inspiration for India.
आज देश के 17 बच्चों को वीरता, इनोवेशन, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी, स्पोर्ट्स और आर्टिस्ट जैसे क्षेत्रों में सम्मानित किया गया है। इन सब ने दिखाया है कि भारत के बच्चे, भारत के युवा क्या कुछ करने की क्षमता रखते हैं।
Children from different Indian states performed before the Prime Minister, showcasing their valor and pride associated with Indian culture. Bureau Report, DD India.